Well, don't know how good you can see that. Alright, so we're going to show you 4 different seasonings that we're going to try. So we're making 4 different kinds all at the same time. First one is Uncle Steve's Shake, sweet and spicier. Second one is Uncle Steve's Shake. Third one's the good old boys, candy bacon rub. Fourth one's just regular brown sugar. So as you see here, we got the club crackers down. We're going to do 2 of each. And then right here, we've got brown sugar on this side, the candy bacon, sweet dessert shake, and then the sweet and spicier. I'm going to flip these over to here and then repeat on the other side of the bacon. We're going in the air fryer today. It's 29 degrees. My heater's got it up to 36 or something. And as you see, it's kind of icy out there. Yeah. All right, let's get it on. All right, as you see here, I wrote down which one's where. And we put that parchment paper under it. Love that on an air fryer. And we're gonna go for 5 minutes and see what happens. Oh my goodness, that smells fantastic. I'm actually gonna let it run for 10 minutes instead of 5. It's way too short. Notice the brown sugar's disappearing, man. Turning into candy. I don't know if you can tell or not, but we're 6 something minutes in and it's happening on top. Alright folks, well this is 8 minutes in. As you see, I need to stop. The only one that did not want to complete was the brown sugar one. That's fine. Let's pull these off and let's give them a taste test. It smells wonderful. Alright folks, well here's our final result. I got this idea from In the Kitchen with Karen. I'll leave a link to her. And she does it in the oven. That one looks freaking awesome. Alright, let's get you on the easel and we'll taste test them. Well, don't know how good you can see that. I just did the sweet and spicier. The camera wasn't on. Here's a sweet and spicier. Sweet and the spicier. Woo, I just ate the first one just off camera, so that's really good. I've got to learn how to get my bacon to stick better to my club cracker. We'll work on that. Alright, well, I made 2 of each, so I gotta let Gigi taste it. She's supposed to get 1 to 2. Drink. This one is sweet dessert shake. Gonna be interesting. Sugar. Sweet. Maddie likes putting that on ice cream and all kinds of stuff. Really good. Uncle Steve's Shake is always down below. Down in the comments when you order something, tell them Papa Texas sent you. You never know. That's really good. So the brown sugar one actually broke apart on me, so I folded it in half. Let's get you focused, buddy. So let's try this one out. Wow. Of course, club cracker, bacon, brown sugar. What do you expect? I guess you could use like a flavored bacon and not put anything on there, but so far I'm liking the sweet and the spicier. Uncle Steve's Shake. Now the candy bacon from the good old boys. Interesting, it does not have brown sugar in it. It's got a nice flavor to it. I do use this. But I tell you what, after this little taste test, I've got one change. Oops, it's over here. Yeah, sweet and the spicier. That's the only one I'm going to use next time. Take it to a party, see what people think about it. And that one that broke in half, what I might do is when I pull them out, I might go ahead and flip it and have a cracker on both sides and 2 pieces of bacon in the middle. That might be a little cooler. Another thing I might do is halfway through the cook, let's say, okay, so this was 8 minutes on high. What I might do is, since I seasoned both sides of the bacon, I might stop at 4 minutes, flip all the bacon over, and then do it again. I don't know. We'll keep experimenting with it so you don't have to. It's Papa, Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See you in the next one. Stay warm, y'all. Stay out them icy streets. Yeah. Gigi just did her taste test. She didn't eat the brown sugar one because she said it's too raw for her. But she ate, okay, she only had half of the sweet and spicier. And I didn't say nothing to her. And then she had the sweet dessert shake. The brown sugar one she said wasn't done enough. And the candy bacon one, she took a little bite of it and she put it back on the plate. But she's had it on bacon before. I mean, it's not bad, but we had these in front of it to do a comparison test. I cleaned my palate every time. She did not. She said the first one, but I can't read that. Sweeten these spicier. This is the only one I'm going to use the next time I do these bacon appetizers. All right, back to Papa.